Okay, so let's talk about how we can create a Microsoft Teams account on the iPhone. Let's begin. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss the tutorials and videos like this one. So obviously we need to have the Microsoft Teams app downloaded on our iPhone. So we get inside and you are likely going to be presented with this page. So we have the ability to join a meeting even without an account with the button at the bottom, and you can then type in the meeting ID and a passcode. That's one thing, but you can also use your Microsoft account. So you can click on use account or sign in, and it essentially lets you create one by tapping on the ability to, you can see you can get started for your work, school, or personal account, and you just have to start with the email or phone. So you can just proceed like that. Most likely you are gonna type in your email address. That's like the best way or easiest to do it. Some people prefer phone numbers, so you can choose, but you're gonna click on the next, and you can see that you can either create a new account or sign into an organization you've been invited to. So if you have that particular scenario going on, then click that, but most likely you'll see the create a new account. You're gonna tap that, and you essentially have to proceed with all of the things. So at first, you're gonna get a confirmation number on your email being delivered to you, so to make sure that it's actually you who uses that. So you're gonna continue with that, and then essentially you're gonna answer some of the questions, add a bit more of personal details, but you'll be able to create a Teams account right inside of your Teams app on the iPhone. So I would really appreciate your feedback below. Let me know in the comments below if you actually managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later.